Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all will fine. Today our topic is writing composition. In this topic you will write an essay on the topic of life in a big city. Here are some outlines which I have given to you, and you will write your essay according to these outlines, and you can also add your or perceptions and your or concepts or understandings about life in a big city. The first is modern mode of life. In this outline, you can explain the lifestyles of people, their social behavior, their attraction, their attitudes towards each other and towards life, their business, and their events or social events as well. The next outline is related to charms, facilities, and comforts. In this topic, you can explain the big shopping centers, malls, or public places which attract you, or you are supposed to go to there on off and on. You can explain the facilities given or provided in city life or in cities, such as hospitals, such as educational institutes and shopping malls and each and everything, bazaars and parks, etc. You can also write this. Comfort, you can explain the comforts. For example, you can explain the vehicles or transport system, and all, such as and all such activities or all such items which are provided you in the city. In the modern medical and educational facilities, you can explain the hospitals or you can explain the clinics, and in educational facilities you can also explain the universities, colleges, school system, which are held there. Proper medical treatment is there. The best staff of a hospital is provided there, and also the best medical treatment and the best surgeons and specialist doctors are provided here, which protect you or which treat you in any situation or in any disease you are suffering from. Crowded streets and big shopping centers. In this outline you can explain the big cities. You can explain the big cities hustle and bustle, their crowded streets which are full of people and public and transport, and the big shopping centers which are provided you each and every single thing of your life which you need. Tall buildings are very huge here. Offices, malls, shopping malls, and even the जो है even the residential buildings are also tall, and which are sky kissing. We can say as they are kissing the sky, or they are much huge to capture the or to catch the sky or to hold the sky. Now we will discuss some problems of big city. In big cities, the first of all, the most important problem is solitude. People are very busy in their life. Routine is very busy. They have no time to each other, for their to conversate with each other. The other problem is populated or the polluted atmosphere. The atmosphere is very polluted in cities because we are well aware from the transport system. Also, the burning activities on daily basis, we are polluting our atmosphere. We are cutting our trees, which play most important role in clearance of atmosphere or cleaning the atmosphere. But now, due to the human activities, atmosphere is polluted because we are cutting the trees. The next is restless and worried life. People are worried. There is no peace in life, although they are provided with all the facilities in cities, but They are restless. There is no peace of mind and no peace of heart because there is very malice and and jealousy with each other. It is one of the important cause of worried and restless life. At the end, we can conclude the essay by saying that the blend of joys and sorrows of city life, advantages and disadvantages, good and bad things, evil things. We can also share pleasure and pains of city life. We can conclude our essay by all sort of things. We can also add this point means blend of joys and sorrows in our first point. The mode of life in which we can explain the city life is a blend of joys and sorrows. Hope you will understand. You will write this essay on your notebook with the given outlines, or you can add by yourself and then share it with others. See you next time.